Please like, share, and comment. See, remember me? Hi, Jeffrey Egono. I greet you, Jeffrey. Begin in the name of God, the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. And I invite spirits, powers of the good ones. You can see a sign of a dollar here, down there, like this, with with a sign of dollar. You can donate any amount, 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cents, any amount. Everybody tap on the screen, double tap on the screen. Everybody double tap on the screen. everybody, can we like the live? Double tap on the screen. Tap on the live stream. Let's give it a like. Let's suppose send any gift of your choice. Let's go. Let me put it water to make it more slippery. To make it more slippery, let me put it water. If you put it water, it become more. Okay, it's hard. Everybody keep tapping on the screen. The more likes you are having, the more people are likely to join. You like the lions? Do you want to gift me? Uh, Everybody keep tapping on the screen. The more likes you are having, the more people are likely to join. Tap on the screen, donate, share. Hey bro, what's up? Please, guys, please send a gift. Support. Send a gift. That is the only way I can earn by you guys supporting. You can donate. You can gift anything. Do you understand? So that I can be able to come back again. Oh man, thank you. I really appreciate it. Ozomadoka, I greet you. Onye onye Igbo, onye nwanne m. Ịbụ onye Igbo, nwanne m. A special sound for you. ọzọ mmadụ ka ya gaziere gị nwanne m ị ga dịka echichi adịghị agwagwa ji femele gị. Ya ogunu na-eme ọbịa m na-arụ very ife na-eme aji family unu. All my viewers, may God prosper you people. I believe that if my viewers are prosperous, I am prosperous. I pray Madoka. I'm coming in a strange sound. Listen, let's go. In a strange dimension. Let's go, guys. Please drop a gift. Support me with any gift. You can still ask for my answer anyhow. Please. Let's send a gift. All right, let's go, guys. Everybody keep tapping on the screen. Costly. Please, guys, I have a goal to achieve up here 0 over 19 heart, money, gun, and galaxy. Please, you can still support my goal 0 over 19 or any gift of your choice. Please, let's go. Let me drink water. Let me drink water. You guys should keep tapping on the screen. Everybody keep tapping on the screen. Let's support my goal. 1 over 19, 0 over 19 heart, money, gun, and galaxy. Please support me. You can send a gift, any gift of your choice. really appreciate for the gift. Everybody keep tapping on the screen. You say like I am struggling to keep my eyes open and I couldn't sleep before. But are you sleeping now? Did you say this is a sleeping tablet, right? My body is like, nah, man, this is the sleeping signal. We must rest. Oh, if you go to my YouTube channel, you can have it a 1 hour sound. You can listen to it just with the earpiece or with the speaker. Everybody tap on the screen, please support. The only way you can support me and the only way I can earn is by you gifting me. You watching me doesn't pay. Please, let's go. Thank you so much for the gift. I really appreciate. Thank you for the gift. Let's go. Let's keep sending gift. I'm gonna play. Let me play strange. Let me play strange sound now. Coslim, are you there? Let me play strange. Can you see me? Can you see me from here? I'm from Nigeria. I have to go. Okay, thank you. Tell us where you're from.
Hello,
Where are you
hello,
from?
I'm Fulpio. You are my great inspiration. I find your flute skills very good.
Thank you so much. Where are you watching me from?
I am watching from the Netherlands currently.
Okay, the Dutch land.
From the Netherlands.
Okay.
But you are very skilled in fluting
Thank
on the
you.
flute.
Thank you so much.
you want to play your OG melody. It was like. Yes, it's so beautiful. I gotta go now, brother. Goodbye.
Okay, my brother, thank you for coming around.
Yes.
Can you speak? Everybody keep tapping on the screen. So I feel like I'm unlocking an ancestral memory listening to this. Oh, the spirit is within you, my bro. In African American, the spirit is within you. Like, oh my God. You understand, you have that spirit, it is within you. You just need something to light it up. And through the mystery of the flute, we derive mysteries in it are the wisdom of the ancients. You guys have to understand that some of my sound, I'm not the one producing them. It is what my spirit man gives me, I release. I might not even repeat it next time. I'll play another one. Everybody keep tapping on the screen. Let's support. Let's send a gift. Heart, money, gun, and galaxy. Amita, Amita, I really appreciate for adding my goal. Let's go. I really appreciate Amita. Let me drink water. Oh God, the God of my ancestors, the soon coming King, is in them more. I call upon you that you might bless me and bless my viewers and my listeners. ihe anyị na-eme bụ sọsọ ihe mmụọ. Anyị na-atụnyekwara da aja bụ onye mmụọ. You guys shall live long. Thank you for the gift. is the epitome of music, hands down. Super, very good. Danka. Everybody keep tapping on the screen. Please, I need you guys to support me. Heart, money, gun, and gallery, or any gift of your choice. You can say, okay, I want to send to you directly. I have a friend cash app. I'm in Nigeria, so anywhere. So let's go so that I can be able to subscribe. I'm using mobile Wi-Fi so that I can get a good internet connection. So so I can subscribe at the end of the month. That is the purpose of supporting me. That is what I use, and then helping some people. Everybody keep tapping on the screen. Let's go to 20,000 likes. Let's go. Sebastian say me sponsor you. Sponsor me, like, make me understand. Why are you calling pretty baby again? what the dance. Tap on the screen, share, like, and comment. Donate 1/19 heart money gun and galaxy. You can donate. Francis, Francis, are you there? I want to tell you something. Good morning. I need a sponsor. I need somebody to sponsor my internet subscription this month. I need somebody to um sponsor my internet subscription this month. Francis, about is about is about $22. $22. $22. $22. Yeah, I think so. About 22. Yes. So give me a few days. I'm gonna got you. I will cash it. I will cash up it. Okay. Okay. I pray. God bless you. Everybody keep tapping on the screen. Zeke, if you cash it up, you help. You let me know. If you cash it, you send me a DM. nwanne mmadụ echetere gị was it 2 days ago m si na m sendara gị meseji ka m jụọ gị otu e dere ma echefuo nwanne mmadụ ka ị mere echetere gị honestly ị ga-adị ndụ nwanne ya gaziere gị let me share mekweni everybody keep tapping on the screen. May the Almighty God continue to bless you. You say, Magikwa nwanne ya gaziere gị. Amara m ọwụ otu ụbọchị dị dị but ofu ụbọchị kwa anyị ga-anọkọ. Ghọrọ ife na-eme. A man of integrity. One mmadụ. Much respect, bro. It is so fun to harmonize with the melody. Bitter. Let me read this thing. It said, Bitter, let's meet Ren Africa. Yeah. Welcomes do. May the Almighty God strengthen you. Amen. even me too, even me too. I'm not going with you. Every joy in there, one even more. Hi, even more. Honestly. When I'm maybe from now to Christmas, I'm here to target me. I believe. So you are so good. Thank you. I really appreciate. Bro, keep up the good work now. I have to dress up for work. May the Almighty God continue to bless you. You say, Amen. And you too, one them. Kina giving a girl rushing Chineke na ya gozie gị mmaji pụrụ mmaji. May God elevate you one man. Ya gajere gị. Enyi ọjọọ agaghị ụzọ hụ ebe ị nọ nwanne m. Atụmatụ onye iro. Back to sender. Please, I have a goal to achieve 1 over 19. Please, guys, you can support my life goal. 1 over 19 heart, money, God, and galaxy. Ọzọ Maduka. Amara m na ọja akpọrọla gị where you no know. Ọzọ Maduka ekelekwa m gị. Ama m n'ị nọ ebe a. beautiful. It is amazing you are. Diver. What does diver mean? Everybody keep tapping on the screen. If I may, if I may ask, is this instrument used in ceremonies or storytelling? Because I feel like it is trying to tell me. Yes, yes. A lot of people use my sound on YouTube to tell stories like there are normal stories and traditional stories. So, and sometimes, but me, my purpose is to bring it to humankind raw. Like when they listen, they can be able to comprehend what their soul is talking about. Yeah. Okay, I thought so because sounds like there is a sentence I am supposed to be hearing. Yeah, but actually your spirit is hearing because in Igbo land we know that flute is a speaking language, is a speaking instrument. Yes, it sounds like words. If an Igbo person is here, they can hear what I'm saying right now. Do you know what I said? I said, "Ijele eruwogo mụ na onye ga-agba egwu." Pararam. So means the time, like the masquerade is out. Who will dance with me? Do you understand? So an Igbo person can listen. Your music is so that my ears just ring. Each chord's a language from the spirit. What I need is just sponsorship. I'll begin to release more sounds on YouTube for people to listen with stories. Many African, many African Americans have Igbo DNA, so it makes sense that my brain is trying to hear the words. Yeah. It's so beautiful. My ears are having. Please say hello for Sasha. Sasha, hello. Thank you for the gift. When I receive gifts, it powers the spirit within me to release strange sound. Bro, I give you one rose. Can you say shout out to Kea and oh, shout out to Kea, Casey, K, Kaya. A big shout out to you. I really appreciate for the one rose, my brother. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let me speak with the language. Let's go to 30,000 likes, everybody. Don't forget to follow this account. Do you know that I fast to play the sounds? I fast to play the sounds only on water. Most times 6 hours, most times 24 hours. Like yesterday, I did not take my dinner. That is 12 hours on the day on the night. I didn't take my dinner. Today again, I didn't take my breakfast till now till I finish. Can I hook up to an studio? You can sponsor it. I will release a wonderful sound. Please, guys, like, share, and comment. Please drop any gift, cash app, anywhere, PayPal, anywhere you can support me. Please do. I have a goal to achieve 1/19. If you like what I'm doing, please drop a gift. Brother, I am so happy because you make many views. Thank you so much, my brother. Hello, guys. I have a very wonderful brother from Poland, Koslin. When I have one view, it is only Koslin. Neither in YouTube or here, it is only Koslin that views me. He's a very wonderful brother who got my back when I'm inventing, when I'm having no views, nothing. It is Koslin. He's a very good brother. A big shout out to you, my wonderful brother. Muslim took me like his own blood brother. Honestly, he is always there for me. Sometimes single-handedly he can give me up to 20,000 likes. Single-handedly by costly he can give me up to 20,000. Sometimes he's the only one gifting me. Like he got my back. I wish to see him one day. Thank you so much, Nick, for the gift. I really appreciate. Everybody keep tapping on the screen. Everybody keep tapping on the screen. Let's go. The more likes you have, the more people are likely to join. You can send any gift of your choice. One day we are going to reach 1,000 likes, 1,000 views. Share the live, comment. We are going to reach, like and follow me. I'll still be back again in the evening time and tomorrow again as usual. Okay. Like you just get back from a festival and are gonna get food and sleep. And free. What is your gender? And free. Okay. Did you hear what I said? I said if you cash it up, like if you cash it, please help me. Just give me a DM to know. Please don't forget. I'm not from Congo. I'm from Nigeria. love your music. Thank you. Don't forget to follow up, like, share, and comment. Let me pin my goal on the. See if you guys can support my life goal. I wish to achieve that goal. Just one. I've played for I've played for 1 hour 50 minutes. Please let's perform my life goal. Mm. Hello from Iceland. You are welcome, Margaret from Iceland. Which continent is Iceland? I don't know why this hash here is making here to pen me. Somebody should tell me sorry. This thing is penning me where I'm placing the flute like this. Hello from Germany. Wow. Welcomes du in Deutschland. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the gift. I really appreciate. Trust me, you're doing good, bro. Thank you so much. Are you following me? I always come live. You always see me.
Hello, brother.
Yeah, what's up?
Are you good?
Yeah. Where are you from?
Germany.
Okay. What comes do in Dutchland?
I can change. Dortmund.
Oh, okay.
Und du?
Nigeria.
Ah, okay. Gut. Mach weiter, ja?
Eh?
Gut.
Oh, good, good. This Guten Morgen, richtig?
Yes.
Oh,
Good. Goodbye, brother.
okay. Tisch. Bist du der Bruder Wasma? Oh, Guten Morgen. What's up? Where are you from? Can you talk to me?
Oh my god.
How are you?
Oh my god. Yo. Hello.
Hi,
Hello,
where?
monsieur.
How are you? Where are you from?
Yo. We are from Sweden. They said to me. So sad. Wait.
Donated $500. Where? Where did you donate $500? Why you guys doing me this thing, man? Stop this prank. Where did you donate the $500? Saying you donated 500. Where?
Hello, bro.
Rose from for you, my
What's up?
friend.
I gave you one
Danka,
rose
Danka,
like
Danka,
2 weeks ago.
Rubahan. Danka. Where are you from?
I like your music very much. Germany, we call it reingeschissen.
Oh,
Very cool, man.
oh, Danka.
Oh my god. Up there.
Welcome, wie Libidi in Deutschland.
Leben in Deutschland. Sehr schön, mein Freund.
Okay. Really?
From
Francis?
what country are you?
Nigeria.
Oh, I have a friend that's also from there.
If you
Alright, I have to go. Bye. Have a
okay,
nice day.
okay. East Dana Govasa. Or is it Dana is no? Really? He's insulting me. That's less for him. Thank God I didn't hear it. It's not all German that I hear.
Hello, my friend.
How are you?
This is Mama video. Hey, hello, my friend. This is Mama. You whistle is very good.
Most Germans are like that.
Mit René, Luan und nein, mit René, Luca und mit der Gruppe. Hello, my friend. You whistle very good.
Thank you.
Where you from, my friend?
Hello, what's up?
Spara. Ja, sen. Nej, chilla lite, det är ju jävla. Jag har fel.
I'm going to play the last song. I am feeling hungry. I'm exhausted. Let me go and rest. I've played for I've played for 2 hours 4 minutes. So if you guys actually want to support my goal, I believe by now it might like I would have achieved it. So I have to go and rest. I don't know. That's how they do some of them. Yeah. Thank you so much. I was please guys don't forget to follow my account, subscribe on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. I have the link is on my bio. My cash app is also on the bio. You can support. Or you can say, okay, provide your PayPal. I can provide PayPal. Whichever way you want to support me, go ahead. Because it's through those giftings I can be able to subscribe and come again, and come live again. And I still remain a Jammo, Jammo and Amado. Yeah. So, hmm. I'm gonna play the last sound. And free. I really appreciate for you to be around. Over how many hours? Over an hour you have been here more than. It's I might need you to come play at my grandma's burial. Okay, where? Where is the location? Is it Nimo State? You are the one that um I'm trying to remember. You are the one that gifted me that first day that TikTok monetized me. Are you the person? Please remind me. I just forget the person's name. The one who lives in Florida. Are you? Okay, one name, madam. You know one name now. One name William be say. Boka Ogama. Yes, man. You were him at that time, so I got share one name. Igalo from now to December. Igalo, Nigeria. Buko. Achọrọ m onye ga-alọta Naijiria a ga-enye enyi nwoke enyi ya fon enyi nwoke nọ Florida enyere m ya fon ka o weletara m because phone man hang is ọ dịra na mmiri my phone fell inside water and the phone has been hanging disturbing me so I really want to change the phone so if it will be possible so that my friend Enyegia but though they have not gotten the phone yet but we are hoping to get it. Umuhu Okabia. Okay, nwanne mmadụ. Ya mana umuhu na ọ gị just lọbatazi m bịa were ya.
Hello, my friend.
Open your camera.
No, I'm in school.
Okay, no problem. What the possible? Okay. Oh, no, can get see will get in contact with
Goodbye,
you
my
so
friend.
that I
I
can
have
give you any feedback of
no.
whatever you say. Since
Sorry.
name on a Florida, ya man on Florida. why is you guys, some of you guys laughing at me? Like, you send a request, I accept, you guys will be laughing at me. Like, no, it's not nice. Like, why? Everybody, let's go.
Very good, very good.
Thank you so much. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany, and you?
I'm from Nigeria.
Yeah, nice, nice, very nice.
How is Germany?
Mm, Germany, I say that the people in Germany, the people aren't nice. They are really, how I say that, not good. It's not like in Pakistan, India, Nigeria, Ghana. They are many polite, polite, polite.
Oh, okay. Okay. I understand. I understand. I
Welcome to
understand.
Germany. Trust me, trust me.
081. Okay, you are gonna. Okay, Lord. Okay, where from is zero and 081 0493 6667. That's my WhatsApp line. That is my WhatsApp number.
Yeah. In which city do you are? My English isn't good. Sorry.
I I understand. You um like how do I say this thing in German? Um oh God.
Which
Wo kommst
language
du?
can you talk? What?
Wo kommst du in
What?
Deutschland? Wo kommst du?
Hanover.
Oh,
Hanover. Yeah, yeah. It's
okay.
a city, but it's not big. It's in Niedersachsen,
Uh,
like a state.
oh, okay, okay.
Hm? Kannst du Deutsch sprechen?
Um, no,
Verstehst du mich?
nah.
Nein.
Yeah, nine,
Can you French? Can you speak French?
nine.
Ah,
Zero
kannst
eight
du antworten
one
bei
0493
zero?
6667.
What does mean the number?
That's my WhatsApp line.
Ah,
Did you got it? Type Kwale, comment here on the comment section. Let me see. Boo.
It's me, you're me live.
Let us.
Hello, bro. What's
I'm
up? You're me live. You're me live. Hello,
getting
bro.
there, man.
Can you sing for me, man?
What is going
Please
on?
sing. Please sing, man. I really love the songs you make. You have
Thank you so much.
20 views. Yeah, come on, man. We got this. Jag tittar på hans fight. Jag är med. Jag är där.
Thank you so much. One Namado. Ekele Pamge. Thank you so much.
I'm recording.
Thank you so much.
Very good, very good. Sounds very good.
Isabel, I think this is the gear. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Hi, can you open your camera? Where are you watching from?
Let's go with loud baby.
Get on there. What is funny? What is funny about me?
Hello. Oh.
One them. Buko, ige a comment lead the number m send the regi. Camera mode correct. I'll get check here on WhatsApp. Iga hunu my. Iga hu. Ihe m ji mee profile.
Hello, hello, my bro.
How are you?
I'm very fine, and you?
I'm on fine also.
Yeah, nice, bro. I have a question.
Okay.
Can you teach me how to hunt animals? Germany are like that, yes. And not all, but 20%. I have in my school.
Hmm.
So, astaghfirullah. Which religion do you have? Yes. Um, which religion do you have?
Me?
Yes.
I believe in God. I don't follow religion. I believe in God Almighty.
Ah, Jesus. Jesus, yes.
Yes, I believe.
I believe in Allah.
Okay. I respect everybody's belief.
Me too.
Okay. I don't believe me. I go. I put up in the comment. I put up in the comment section. Some of you guys, do you guys practice meditation? Yeah, we believe in one God. Love from Denmark. Thank you.
Hello.
How
Hello.
are you? Can you open your camera?
Hello.
Oh, pretty
Hello.
girls. You guys are beautiful.
Yes, thank you. A beautiful pet.
Where are you from?
Estonia.
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 Oh,
Near Russia.
what?
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Oh, nice. I have a friend from Guadeloupe. You know?
I didn't hear her.
Guadeloupe. Good singing. Nice music. Yes. You're very talented.
I want to
Can you sing, please?
I want to ask you I want to ask you a question.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
Why are you guys rude?
What? What?
Why are you guys so rude? Like the way you guys talk.
No, we have an accent. It's because of that. We didn't say anything bad.
Let me see your face. You look beautiful.
Что? Нет, подожди. I wanted to ask you. I have a question.
Okay.
I uh,
Thank you.
Hey, bro, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's good, bro. Do you know P. Diddy?
Can I see your face?
Yes,
He said, do I know what?
Bomboclat.
Hello.
How are you, my good friend?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm cool. Can I see your pretty face, please, for the first time? It's a bit dark.
It's a bit dark. Hold on, I got you. I'm trying to find where I put my remote. Hold on, hold on.
Okay. Okay, okay, okay. I'm so happy to see your face for the first time. Um,
Hi.
how you doing? I'm fine.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
That's good. That's good. I'm sorry they keep coming in here and trolling. Like I genuinely don't understand what their problem is. It's really aggravating.
I don't know. Maybe if they are racist.
Maybe yeah, I think that has a lot to do with it. A lot of people are.
Yeah. Which part of the country are you?
I'm from New York, but I live in Texas.
Okay. But it's night. Oh, it's midnight right now.
Yeah, it's nighttime over here. It's dark dark.
So why you not sleeping? You are listening to my wonderful music.
Yeah, I couldn't. I literally woke up and I couldn't fall back asleep. And then I saw your live and I was like, let me tune in for a little bit. And I was really liking the melody. And then I was like, why is this making me sleepy? Like, I want to get up and dance, yes, but I also feel oddly sleeping. And then I was like, let me just stay in for however long he's live for.
Like play. You spend like an hour just listening to me.
I really like it, honestly. It's very calming. It's very calming. And it's nice to kind of try to hear for like the different melody changes.
I really
Like it's
appreciate.
really nice.
I really
It's
appreciate you coming around.
of course I need to come in here more often, genuinely, because you're really talented. Like you're really good, and I'd love to sponsor you more. Dead ass. Like
Thank you. Let me give you a wonderful. This is a special sound for you.
yay! I liked it. That one was so much. That one was like a lot calmer and slower. What does it mean?
It's it's a very soothing sound for meditation, and I'm trying to express my gratitude and to you.
I could hear it. I really appreciate it. It sounded so beautiful. I really. How do you pronounce the name of the flute? I don't want to say it wrong.
Oja, Oja.
Oja. Okay, oja. Yeah. I really like the sound of the oja flute. It's very like I don't know. It sits right in my body. I don't know how to describe it other than that. It's really nice to just like sit and listen to.
Have you been to Africa before?
No, but actually, my adoptive parents were in Ghana for a hot minute, and they just hopped over to Kenya. I'm gonna be joining them in a minute. I wanted to visit Nigeria as well because I kind of I'm not gonna say I'm initiated in Ifa by any means, but hoodoo is very based in Ifa, so I really wanted to like learn from like the tradition, like the people on the continent, you know.
Yeah. It is very
Yeah.
best for you to be in the country and understand than seeing it from afar.
Yes. I can't wait. I'm supposed to be going after this semester of school, and I am so excited. I cannot wait to be out of America. I'm so sick of it here.
Which, what are you studying in the institution? What are you studying, like your school?
Agriculture.
Wow.
Agriculture. Yeah, it's one of my. I'm autistic, and so like plants and just the natural world is one of my special interests. That and African culture is my cultures. And so I was like, let me just go to school for agriculture, and it's going really good. I'm super excited. I've actually started like my own farm and stuff, and it's real nice. It's real cool to just like work with plants.
Yeah.
Super nice. It's
And
real.
you know, see, plants are living. Let me show you. Let me get something. Let me get something. Let me see if I can see that plant right now. Let me get something. Where can I see that plant? Oh man, oh man, oh man. So you can see this.
Hmm. You just eat it.
It's medicinal.
I love that. So y'all's like medicinal plants just straight up grow everywhere. Like y'all could just.
Yeah, if you know them, you can. I know this one. If you're
Mm,
having a
you can
stomach,
identify it.
if you're having a stomach ache, you eat it.
Mm,
You cannot throw. You swallow the water.
and then you spit out the pulp.
Yeah.
That's really cool. We in the Americas, a lot of our folk healing and stuff, like our herbal remedies, they are like substitutions for like indigenous African ingredients that we don't have access to. So like, do you know what candy yams are?
No. Candy yams.
So candy yams in African American culture are sweet potatoes baked in like a syrup and like with marshmallows. And we call it yams because it looks very similar to cassava. And during the transatlantic slave trade, they didn't give us any access to cassava, which was negatively affecting our health. So we started calling sweet potatoes yams as like a homesick thing.
Oh man, you need to come to Africa. You need to come to Africa.
My parents keep saying that.
You need to honestly. You need to come to Africa. How I wish you would come. Just visit,
I want to.
visit Nigeria.
I will. I will. 10 toes down. I will. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm literally working on getting my passport right now. Like, you do not have to tell me twice. I am Audi 5K.
Oh yeah. Do you have anybody? Do you have a friend in Africa, in Nigeria?
Not in Nigeria, although I'm sure I have relatives in Nigeria. I just need to find them, you know?
You have one. I'm the one.
Yeah! I'm so excited. Uh, I love having these conversations with like indigenous Africans. The diaspora wars to me are so ridiculous. Let's focus on the real enemy here.
I'll be happy to see you. I like black Americans. They can never be racist to a black or Africans at large. A lot of them they come to my live stream. They make mock of me. They some of them they will be selling stickers of a chimpanzee. Like I don't know. Sometimes it touches me, but I don't have to do anything than to keep blowing. But I know that one day I'll still see people who like and love what I do. So yeah.
Absolutely. And I apologize on behalf of them because them FBAs, they get on all that. They most of us with two brain cells to rub together are very annoyed by them. They do not speak for the African American community. They are stupid in to put it as nicely as I can. Wisdom chases them, but they run much faster. That's the nicest way that I can put it. Wisdom chases them, but they run much faster.
Yeah. So, but there is no point and there is no time to discriminate.
Yeah.
Somebody say, "Can I have your number?" Let me call my number to somebody.
All right, bet.
Yeah, just be with me. 081 0493 6667. That's my WhatsApp line. 081 0493 6667. It is also on WhatsApp. So, do you practice, my friend? Do you practice meditation?
I do, although for hoodoo, it's different than like your traditional like envisioning of meditation of like sitting and quietly. One of the main things that I do to meditate is something called water gazing, where you get a crystal chalice and you fill it up with water and you just look at it. And you want to kind of have it on like your ancestral altar with a candle lit. Um, and you just look at it, and whatever images or words or visions come to mind is typically like what the ancestors are trying to tell you, but you can also utilize it to kind of see like what's weighing on your mind. Like I like using it to see like what my mind will kind of pick up and what that's trying to tell me, you know?
Okay, okay, okay. That is one of the ways of um, um, imaginations. But yeah, I will encourage you if you on YouTube you can see some of my videos of sounds. You can play them with a earpiece on air, anything you anyhow you want to play it, and keep calm. But let it be maybe late at night. You now listen calmly for like 30 minutes. You will see the new energy, boom. I do them always. That's why I have a lot of sounds. I have a lot of record sounds. So I wish to release more in future just for me to get sponsors who can sponsor it. Then I'll keep releasing more of those sounds and combination of water sounds and other things.
I'd love to sponsor it, and I'll definitely try it because I like. I've been wanting to like look for more ancestral kind of sounds to listen to while I meditate because I like to utilize meditation to kind of like connect with my ancestors. That's one of the reasons. I don't know if you noticed, but I have this little tattoo right here. This
Okay.
one is
Yeah.
Adinkra, as you probably already know, and I want to get one from like all of the 10 heritage tribes to honor every single like ethnicity that my ancestors come from. But I'll definitely try. I definitely want to try it out.
Wow. Okay. I'm so happy to meet you. You are. Well, I say I'm one of your ancestors, or you're one of my ancestors. It look like I've met before, that kind of thing.
Yeah, no, I was gonna say in the comments earlier, there was somebody commenting, and I was like, oh my god, deja vu. Like I've seen this day of live before. Like I often have like I don't dream very often, but when I do, it usually happens. And I've seen this exact live in a dream before. Like
It's
I was having deja vu and it was crazy.
as if we have met before. But I
I,
think,
I think so too.
but I think it's our spirit. It is our spirit that have met, but our body.
Yeah. like past life type stuff. I could definitely see that.
Yeah.
I could definitely see that. Especially since, in our belief, you're reincarnated through your bloodline. So probably, I was my great 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 grand somebody way back when, and you was your great 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 grand somebody way back when, and we knew each other.
Yeah. We have met.
Exactly, exactly. But yeah, I'm super. I love this live. It's so cool. I'm so glad to meet you and get to talk to you. It's really nice.
Me too.
It's refreshing. I noticed. I wanted to ask. I notice I see a lot of like equal people wearing those kinds of hats, but with different colors. Are those like cultural? Is that like a cultural garment?
Yeah, it is a cultural hat. Both these, they are cultural wears. The lion head, they have the cheetah head, different animal, the bull head. But this, my attire, signifies who I am.
I see. I see. I kind of do something similar. We have something called a kinba in African American culture, and it's like it's when you're dressed in all white formal attire, and it's typically used for like ceremonies and funerals and stuff.
Yeah.
And I had created something called a key layer, and there's like a symbol that comes across your chest. And the purpose of the symbol is to kind of denote to like your profession or your spirituality. So there's like a leaf means you're an apothecary, a feather means you're a scholar. Here, I think I have a picture of it I can show you.
Okay. Let me see.
Yeah, let me see if I can show you. Uh,
Is it on your? Okay. Okay, go ahead. I wanted to say, is he in the same phone?
yeah, it should be in this phone. I know it's in this phone. Let me. I know it's in here. I just gotta remember when I found it. I found it. There it is.
Oh,
So it
okay.
goes over. It can go over regular clothes, and you can wear it without a shirt, and it's a body veil. So the
Are you the one
wing is
that
supposed
produced
to
it?
like repel all energy.
Are you the one that made the clothes?
Hmm. I make my own clothes a lot. I have another one that I inspired after dashiki cloth. Let me see.
It looks so nice. You,
Thank you.
you are the one,
Let
right?
me see. I make most of my own clothes. Let me find a good picture so you can kind of see the pattern better. There we go. This is the one.
Oh man, you are not. You're a designer.
Hmm.
You are a cultural designer.
Yeah, I try.
Can I like? Do you have more? Maybe you can just send it on my. Are you on WhatsApp?
What? Yes, I made a WhatsApp account to be able to talk to my parents since they were in Ghana. So let me double check my WhatsApp and see if I'm still logged in.
Okay.
Okay, it's updating.
Okay.
I had to update it, but when I follow you already, I'm gonna DM you.
Okay.
You can DM me your WhatsApp number so I can so
Okay. Okay.
we can chit chat.
Yeah, because I'm feeling a bit hungry. Let me end the live stream by playing the last sound.
Yeah,
I've played
yeah,
for
man.
I have played for, let me check, 2 hours 44 minutes, 3 hour, almost 3 hours. But it is not by my power, it is only by the spirit. So
Ah, shit. Absolutely. Yeah, man. Take it easy. Go get you some food. Rest up. You've been feeding us spiritually for hours. So, child, you you go get you go get you a nice meal. My bad. I have a stutter.
no problem. Let me play the last. Just DM me after the live stream. Let me play the last sound so we can. yeah, bye everyone. Thank you so much.
Bye. I hope